guys, it's Charisma. Welcome to my channel. To all my new subscribers, welcome to the K Squad. Let's jump right into this review. Back with another wig review, and today we're going to be talking about the Shake and Go Organique lace front wig. This is in the style Halo Wave 32 inch. I have her in the color number 1B, and this is going to run you $34.94 over at wigtypes.com. I'm going to leave all the links down below so y'all can go ahead and go purchase. Also, if you're interested in this shirt, because I know in my comments I'm going to get asked, where'd you get that shirt from? I will link that link down below as well. Now let's just go ahead and jump right into this unit, ma'am. Now first things first, ma'am is long. Sis is long, okay? This is a 32 inch unit. So ma'am, if long wavy hair is not your thing, then this is really not for you, ma'am, because honey, she is just giving me Rapunzel all the day long. Did you guys hear me? Like Rapunzel, like, oh my God. Look how long this is, y'all. Look at this, 32 inches, ma'am. 32 inches. Now, this also does come, I believe, like in a 24 inch as well. You don't have to get the 32 inch, but since I'm extra, of course I was gonna get a 32 inch. I mean, what y'all? Jump into the cap construction right quick, ma'am, because we have a lot to talk about. Okay, so this is 32 inches long. Look how long she is, y'all. Definitely diva vibes, ma'am. Definitely diva vibes. So this comes with soft Swiss lace. This is not from ear to ear. You guys can see this does not go all the way ear to ear. And then you have the lace right here in the part, and that's the only place that the lace is. Then we have our two combs up top. We have our comb in the back there with our adjustable straps. I'm gonna pull this up with our adjustable straps. And I'm loving how this is constructed. There's tape running across the bottom of it there. I guess that's like for extra support. You know, that way that the threads don't come out, because that's happened to me before, and that is absolutely terrible when that happens. So I'm loving how the cap is constructed. This is a standard size cap, big head girl friendly. And yeah, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. The density on this is pretty good too. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on, and then we're gonna come back and talk about it, because this is definitely giving me life. Oh yeah, and let me not forget the baby hair. The baby hair runs along the front there, and I'm still trying to think if I'm going to leave the baby hair or if I'm going to cut the baby hair, so we'll see. So let me go ahead and put this on. And also, it also comes in 10 different colors, but there are no ombre colors at all. 27, 35, 36, 13, 130, and copper. So you're not going to get any ombres. Keep that in mind when ordering, because with wigs that look like this, ombres would just make it look even better. So just be very mindful if you want a full color. You're going to get it, and you don't want it to look super wiggy. So that's why I opted for a 1B, because I want units that are like this length to look as natural as possible if they don't offer the ombre. It's fitting snug, but it's not too tight at all. I don't have the straps adjusted, and it fits really well. So this is definitely big head girl friendly, so you don't have to worry about that. Once again, the lace does not go ear to ear. This is not like a frontal or any type of unit like that. This is just a simple cap, okay? So I'm not upset that the lace doesn't go from ear to ear, because the way that the style is cut, you're not going to be wearing her up or, you know, crazy like that. So it's cool that it doesn't go ear to ear. It still can be styled nicely if you want. You can always just pull her all the way to the back, and it would make a beautiful halo wave ponytail. I think that would be absolutely gorgeous. Also, you can do this halfway, where you can just pull her halfway back and leave the rest down, and that would be gorgeous as well. This does come with a 5-inch deep center part. The part for me was great. Didn't have to pluck it all. I just went ahead and added some concealer to her and went about my damn business, okay? Now, I love units like that. I love units where I can just throw them on, add a little concealer, and I'm out the door. Now, as far as the baby hair, I styled the baby hair, but I didn't like the baby hair, so I cut the baby hair. But you don't have to do that. You can go ahead and style the baby hair however you like. But for Miss Charisma, it just was not popping, ma'am. I just wasn't feeling the baby hair. It's telling me in the description that this is ear-to-ear lace front. I'm sorry, ma'am. This is not ear-to-ear. This is not ear-to-ear lace. That lace stopped right here. That is not my ear, girl. That's not my ear, ma'am. Stop misleading these people. Shaking, you can save up to 400 degrees. Now, what I did was, after I added my concealer, I went ahead and took my wax stick and just went across the crown of the unit, took a barrel wand curler and kind of just added some heat and slicked it down at the top there and also where the baby hair was. And that's pretty much all I did to the unit. The unit really doesn't need too much styling because it's pretty much styled for itself. Look how beautiful this is, even to the side. This is a whole look, girl. Yes, a whole look. I also think this will be really pretty with it tucked behind the ear, but that's just me. I think that's really pretty. You could put like a clip there. I think that'd be really nice to kind of just let this flow. It's however you want to style the unit. Now, I did go through her with a wide tooth comb and a vent brush, and I prefer both. I think both is great, but just be careful with that vent brush because since the unit is very long and you keep using the vent brush, it will eventually tangle. Definitely going to get some tangles and shedding with this unit. So far, I haven't gotten any tangles, just a tad bit of shedding, but not a lot, which really shocked me because I thought I would really get a lot of tangles, but I didn't. And I think the pattern of this is just absolutely beautiful. Look how the waves go there. The halo waves, just, oh, that's just beautiful. Now, the density on this unit is really good. It's nice and thick, but it's not too thick to the point where it weighs your head down. So it's not a heavy unit. You would think it's heavy because of all the hair, but it's not a heavy unit at all. And like I said, the density is right in the middle. So I do like that I don't feel any tracks, and that's always a good thing, especially with longer units, because when you get a longer unit, you don't want it to be super thin because it's going to look super wiggy and super artificial, and we don't want that at all. So I think that the density on this is very, very good. I mean, just all around, this is a great wig for the price, $34.94. I didn't have any issues with the unit. I just wish that they wouldn't have said it was ear to ear when it really isn't ear to ear. But other than that, I don't have any issues with the unit. Like I said, even with the pull behind the ear there, it still looks fairly natural. So I think that will work for me. I don't really have any cons about the unit. This is a really pretty summer unit. This is definitely go out vibes, definitely brunch. You know, I want to look cute. That's pretty much it for this review. Go ahead and click that thumbs up button if you enjoyed my content today. Don't forget to sub to my channel if you're not already subbed. Also, click that bell. That way you'll be notified every time I do upload a video. Hit all my playlists if you're bored. Of course you're bored. We're all stuck in the house right now. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media at Christmas Girl on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And until next time, you guys, stay beautiful and blessed. Bye.